Discover the importance of a healthy diet and exercise. Just hearing the terms workout or exercise causes many people to cringe. Yet it is a proven fact that exercise is an important concept for a healthy body and diet routine. Dieting alone will help anyone lose weight, but they must include exercise and working out as part of the regime to maintain the weight loss and healthy body. Learning to incorporate an exercise program, as easy as walking daily, will increase your weight loss with a healthy diet. Since many people are stationary for most of their day, adding the exercise to their lives will increase the benefits of the diet. Increasing the amount of activity increases the effects of the healthy eating habits. Eating a healthy diet with a plan rich in protein, good carbohydrates, grains, omega-3, and low-fat foods is necessary for a serious dieter. Adding fresh vegetables and fruits to the diet provides the essential nutrients to the body. Removing the condiments and fried foods from the diet also is a great way to improve the eating habits. Avoiding sugary and fatty foods in the diet will increase weight loss when including regimens of walking, jogging, swimming, and riding a bicycle. A healthy diet with exercise creates a healthy lifestyle that will provide long-term weight management as well as a healthier body that is resistant to diabetes, heart disease, and other health complications. Add water to the daily diet. Drink 8 8-ounce glasses of water to keep the body hydrated and flush out the toxins and fat from the body. The body needs water to have healthy lungs, kidneys, liver, hair, nails, bones, and teeth. Water in the diet also helps the person feel full temporarily and removes the urges to eat to relieve the feelings of hunger. Avoid caffeine in coffee, tea, and sodas. The caffeine is not a good chemical for the body. Many feel caffeine energizes them, but in reality, it actually causes fatigue when the levels drop, thus creating weight gain due to the lack of energy to be active. The more a person is active, the more they will lose weight. They will have more energy, from the higher levels of exercise, which will then cause them to burn the stored fat. Losing the stored fat decreases the weight and provides a better-looking body for many people. Using a healthy diet combined with exercise and workouts can become a standard way of life, leading to a longer lifespan and a healthier body that can fight off diseases and even the common cold. The well-maintained body is able to fight off heart disease, obesity, diabetes, cancer, and other diseases. People have changed their lives with a healthy diet, a good exercise program, consequently adding more productive years to their lifespan. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and for more video like this please click the notification bell. Thank you for watching.